Hello guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Steve Tagima speaking to you guys, okay? So before I proceed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, ask question. What I do normally on this channel is I research things and they work for me, so I come out and I drop to you guys, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a dollar and a euro account that send and receive funds outside Nigeria. Okay, so you can receive funds outside the country through this means I'm going to show you guys through a dollar or a euro account. Okay, if you're into online business, you're a freelancer, you are an online marketer that saying that receive funds from people outside the country and the rest. This video is for you and it's going to help you if you run your business internationally. This video is going to help you very well. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to my browser. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so first step, you have to come to your browser. Okay, so this is my browser. All right, so let me type in the name of the site you are going to use to create this dollar and euro account. Okay, so we're going to use pioneer.com. Okay, that's the name of the site we are going to use. I'm going to drop it under my description. Okay, so you can see the site, it's loading. The site is loading now. So let's wait for the site to load before we open it. Okay, so my network I think is a bit slow, but that's not an issue. It's still going to go. So the site is loading. So you can see the name here. This is the name of the site you are going to use, pioneer.com. www.pioneer.com. That's the name of the site you are going to use. But I'm going to show you guys the instructions you have to follow to use and create your dollar or euro account and how you are going to verify it. The easy steps you are going to follow. I'm going to guide you guys so you don't make any mistake and how it works and how it's going to work for you. Okay. So through this site, you get your payments and then you can withdraw it to your local account. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys everything here. So before I proceed, let me sign into my already accounts before I'll come back and show you guys how to. So I'm going to sign into my account that I already have within. Okay, so I guess the network is a bit slower. The issue here, sometimes we have network issues. So it's going to log me into my already made account, already created account that I have within. But the network is a bit slow. I really apologize, guys, for that. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you try to log in. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So either you sign in, so you can see this is my. I have an already created email within. I have this is my password, which I can show you. So this is how it looks like. Either you sign in or you sign up for the first time if you are new to Pioneer. Okay, so but before I show you guys the full guide on how to sign up for the first time, let me log into my account to show you guys that what I'm showing you, it's already tested. I've already tested it and it has already worked for me. Okay, so let me sign in and show you guys my dollar account with my euro account that I have within. This is 100% working. Okay, so I was to okay, so let me quickly verify this. Okay, I've just verified that I'm not a robot. Okay, so that's you have to verify you're not a robot. So let me sign in now. So I already have an account within which I'm going to sign in. Okay, so I think it's already signing me in. So when it signs in, this is when you are going to see my euro and my dollar with my other account that I have within, or international account that I have within, that I receive funds outside the country if I work for a client. as okay. So you can see here, this is my USD account, which I don't have money in of recent. Okay, so I have a receiving account. So I will click here to see my receiving account. Receiving account. So this is my receiving account with my details and everything. Okay, need more receiving account N50 USD or equivalent in other currencies to be able to request account bank account is for additional countries. Okay, but so far I'm using only three accounts. Okay, so this is my dollar account. So you can see dollar account one, which I'm going to. So you can see all my address and everything here. Okay, so you can see my address. First Century Bank. You can see the address, account, checking, beneficiary name Steve Katitagima. So you can see it's all working for me and everything. Okay, so that's it. So let me come back without showing every details and the rest. So this is my Euro account and the rest. Okay, so if I want to receive funds from someone, maybe I work for a client outside the country, I work for somebody outside the country, I use this account to receive my payment. Okay, maybe I made a design for somebody, I did something for someone as a freelancer. This is what I use to get payment. Okay, so one good thing about it, when you receive payment here, you can equally transfer it to your local account. Okay, so you can transfer it to your local account after receiving payment. Okay, so let me show you guys. I want to show you guys the interface. Okay, withdraw. So after receiving payment as an after receiving payment from your international client as a freelancer, you can then make a withdrawal to your local account. Okay, so I'm going to just show you guys. Okay, so this is my Access Bank local account. So I can withdraw it to my Access Bank account. So for example, I receive funds from my USDT balance. Okay, you can see for now there is no balance here, so I could just type in the amount I want to withdraw to my local account. Okay, and then the amount is going to show in Nigerian currency here. Okay, so then I'm going to place it on review and everything. So that's how it's going to work. Okay, so that's just for that. So let me log out and show you guys the full steps and procedure you are supposed to take and create this international account and verify it, because you just can't come to the site, create it like that. No, you need to verify it first. Okay, so let me come and show you guys how it does this. Okay, so first I'm going to sign out. So I'm going to sign out first. So I'm going to sign up now as a new member. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign up now. So first you have to click on sign up as a new member, sign in as a new member. Okay, so it's going to load. So let's wait. Okay, so when you sign in here, when you are trying to sign it, you're going to see a lot of options. See, are you a freelancer or SMB? Are you an online seller? Are you an affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual, or the rest? Okay, so what I do mostly is either I go for freelancer or online seller. They are kind of like similar. I'm a freelancer, I design for people online and the rest. So I'm still an online seller. I do stuff for people online and they pay me. Okay, so let me go for online seller. You can still go for any of them. It's your choice, either a freelancer or online seller. Okay, so I just click on online seller, get paid by e-commerce marketplace. Okay, so I'm going to click here, register. I'm going to click on register. So let's wait for the network. It's a bit slower, so let's wait for it. Okay, Pioneer sign up. So you can see now, when you do this, they are going to bring out some options for you. Okay, they're going to bring out some options for you. Are you signing as individual? My business isn't registered. Are you signing as a company? Includes sole proprietorship corporation. Okay, so I'm going to sign in as a company because I register as a company, which is the best method for you to register. If you're registering as an online seller or as a freelancer, I advise you to register as a company. Don't register as an individual because they are going to limit your account to a certain limit. Even as a company, they will still limit your account to a certain limit, but it's advisable to register as a company. Okay, so what's your company name? So SK Den TV, SKT business. So you can see doing business optional, registered entity of your business. So proprietorship. Okay. So what's the for the option for the registered entity of your business? If you are running your business only you are going to enter sole proprietorship because that's a one-man business. Okay. So you can see here it's optional. Company website optional. My company doesn't have a website, so which is optional. Authorized representative, first name of authorized representative. So everything I use my name. Okay. So you enter your name. Please, guys, follow these steps. They are very important. If you make any single mistake, they are going to ban you because it's kind of like last name. It's a business and it's something serious. So last name, my email. I already have an email registered, so I'm going to use my other email to try this out. I'm not going to use my registered email because I'm trying to make it newly. So I'm going to use this other email, renter email. So you can see I mentioned everything authorized representative of built. So when it's my authorized my date of birth, so you're going to enter your date of birth here. So I'm going to enter my date of birth, which let me enter my date of birth. Okay. Okay, guys, so when you enter your date of birth, you're going to click on next, and this is the next step is going to take you to. Okay, so the next step here, they have four steps. You can see they have first four steps, which I'm done with the first step. With the first step, which was the last place on the first step, was to enter my date of birth, which I did, and I'm on the second step here. Okay, so I'm going to enter a country, business address, Nigeria, street number. Okay, so I'm going to enter WAEC office office number 8. Okay, street number, more details optional, town, zip code. Okay, so which of the town am I using the zip code? Okay, so let me use the place I'm currently in Taraba State here. Okay, so then postal or zip code. Okay, so in terms of the zip code, you just have to do, you just have to come and browse the zip code out. Okay, so let me just come and browse Taraba State zip code. Okay, so I don't want to use my Chrome to use another browser here. Okay, let me just use Google. So I advise you guys to enter one of the anything you are entering, make sure it's legit. Just don't enter any zip code. It's very bad because sometimes they demand for a verification from you, okay, to be sure everything you're doing it's very legit, okay. So this is zip code I'm going to use. So I just copy this. You just have to copy it, and then I come back to my information, which I'm going to put paste it here. Okay, okay, 13. Okay, so let's be sure of that zip code. I don't know. Okay, you can see 660 213. 660 213. Okay, not okay. You can see we have only one. Let's see. Okay, country of incorporation, Nigeria. So I'm going to choose Nigeria. Nigeria. Okay. So you are going to fill in all these steps. You are going to fill in all these steps and click on next. Okay. So without wasting your time, I'm going to fill in all these steps and I'll click on next. But I'm going to, okay, so just enter all the options here. Now you know what is a zip code, the town you are staying, you enter a zip code and the rest. Okay. So I'm going to fill in every step here. But for me to fasten the video, I'm going to pause it and fill in and enter the next. Okay. Okay, guys, so I told you guys I'm going to pause the video and fill in the step to not to make the video too long. Okay, so I'm on the third step here, so you can see I'm on the third step here. Okay, so you're going to enter your password, re-enter password, security question, and then you're going to upload your national ID, the number, and everything. Okay, then you are going to upload everything and click on next. Okay, so you are going to also upload a picture here and everything. Okay, so without wasting your time, still going to pause it and enter all this information, enter the next step. Okay, and then with that, please watch this video to the end because it has a lot of very strategic things. This is not yet the verification part, but when we are going to reach the verification part, I'm going to show you guys every single thing and the verification part. Okay, so follow these steps, they are very, very important. Don't miss out on any single thing. Okay, if you want this to work for you. Okay, guys, so when you enter your information on the third step, you can see I'm on the fourth step now. So when you enter your information on the third step, then you click on next. It's going to take you on the fourth step here. So you can see I'm almost done. Okay, so you can see I'm almost done. So I'm using a business account, right? So you select your country, which is Nigeria, right? You select your currency, which is naira, right? Okay, so you're going to enter a bank account details. Okay, that's the bank account you want to use and receive funds after getting your funds from your international bank account. So you're going to enter your local bank account, which you can use and withdraw the funds to. Okay, so enter when you're entering this place. Please make sure you don't make mistake on this. It's very, very important. Okay, so you can see it's very, very important. Please don't play with this. Okay, so I'm going to enter and I'll agree terms and condition and click on next. Okay, I'll click on submit and then the next step is going to show. Okay, so we're wasting time. Let me do that and then click on next. After you do everything, I'm going to click on submit. So I'm going to enter all your details here, which I'm going to do that and click on submit, and it will take me to the next page. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see I just clicked on next and it took me to the last step. So you can see, congratulations, your Pioneer account application have been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Pioneer card, lend to other one. Now this that. Okay, so these are the steps here. Okay, so this is the next. So when you are done now, you are going to the next step for me is to log in. Okay, so I have to log in now and create my USD account. Okay, so which I'm going to come to sign in. So let me log in now. So this is the first part of it. We still have something to do where you are going to request your details and everything to verify your account. Okay. So let me try to sign in now. I don't want to. I already have account with it, which I don't want to save that one. Okay, so let's sign in now. Let's sign in. So I'm going to sign in now. So this is the most important part now that I want to show you guys. So please follow this step very, very well. So now I'm going to sign in with my okay. I want to sign in with my newly created account, which I'm going to sign in with my newly created account. Okay. So guys, so when okay, so I've just logged in. So when you logged in, your account is going to be ready. Okay, your account is going to be ready. But on here, this is a notification button. They are going to tell you to notify. They are going to show you some notification, some things you are going to verify. So you will come into your account, verify everything they are going to tell you, and then on your email, you are to go back to your email and confirm verification. They are going to send you an email. So you are going to go back to your email, confirm the verification, okay? So they're going to show you everything here on this notification. They will give you the steps that you're supposed to follow and enter every necessary document they are going to ask for. These documents are very, very confidential documents that you are going to enter, okay? So I don't want to enter this document showing you these stuffs here, okay? Because it's my privacy too. So that's an is as easy as that. But make sure you go to your email and verify your account. If you don't do that, it's not going to work for you, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something here, and I hope you are going to test run this thing out and come back to my channel and give me the reviews, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and get ready for more of my videos. Thank you guys for watching.